Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are filming an Empties and Declutter video, so if you're curious about that, please keep on watching. Okay, so I have my bag in here. We are gonna take some products out of it and it's just a random order, but I will try to avoid the decluttering products and we are gonna talk about them at the end. So let's start with this one. These are the Cupio Soak Off Remove Wraps. And these ones are really good and really inexpensive, and I need to repurchase them. They are just for removing your gel or semi-permanent manicures, and these are really great. Next is a Dove body wash, and I really love Dove body washes, and this one smelled really nice. And this one is cocoa butter and hibiscus, and this was really great. I really recommend it, and I'm using other brand right now. I really love Dove body washes, so at some point, of course, I'm gonna repurchase this one or other scents as well. And finally, I did finish this product up. This took a very long time. This is the Cerave Moisturizing Lotion, and I used this one on my face and I loved it. It's so lightweight and it sinks into the skin very fast, but it's still very hydrating and I loved it. And I think it took me an year to finish this bottle, so it's a lot of product in here, so you really get your money's worth. And I bought right now another of the Cerave moisturizers, and that one is a bit thicker and is more heavy duty, but I love that one as well. So I think depending on your skin type, if you have more oily skin, this one I think it's great. If your skin is more dry, maybe the other one in the tub. Let me just get it, it's right behind me. So I'm talking about this one. So if you have oily skin, I think this one is for you because this one is a lotion, so it's more lightweight, and this one is a cream, but they are kind of similar, but this one is just a bit more hydrating. So if you have dry skin, this is better for you in my opinion, and if you have oily skin, this one I will recommend. Next product in here is the Banila Clean It Zero cleansing balm, and I did like this product for a cleansing balm, but I don't think I like cleansing balms in general. This was pretty decent at removing my makeup. The only thing that I had a bit of a hard time removing was my waterline eyeliner, because I always put a colorful pencil on my waterline. As you can see, I have green on my waterline today, and with this product, if I really wanted to remove that, I just needed to rub my eyes pretty hard, so I didn't like that very much. But of course, this is my step 1, so after step 2, the cleanser, usually that was removed. But I don't like the experience with this. I much prefer a micellar water, and because I have reusable cotton rounds, I could just use that and they are still okay for the environment. But if you like a cleansing balm, I think this one is really great. Then I finished another deodorant. This is my go-to, is the Dove Invisible Dry. You know that I love that one. Then I finished an SPF, and this one is the Blur Sun Secure, and I'm wearing the other one right now. I just had a backup of this one, so I'm wearing it, and it's just great. Today I don't know what happened. I'm wearing the Urban Decay foundation, the one that's in my project pan, and they didn't work great today, but I don't know why. Anyway, I like this one in general as a primer as well. Today I don't know what happened, but I love this one, it's great. And about that, if you're curious about anything that's on my face, everything will be listed down below, and I will list as well the tutorial for this eye look. It should be already live on Instagram. Next, let's talk about these 3 mini products. They were a set from Purito, and this is the Centella set, and we have the toner and the serum and the recovery cream, and all of them are unscented, which I think is great. I did like all of them. Of course, I know that toners are not really necessary, but this one was in a set, so I did use it, but for me, I will not repurchase the toner. The serum was okay as well, but I have other serums that I like better. But the recovery cream I did really like, so maybe at some point I will buy this in a full size, because this was pretty good and is really hydrating. I really did enjoy this one. Then I finished a CeraVe Hydrating cleanser as well. I really like this one. I bought it in a bigger size actually, and I really like this one. So if you have dry skin, I think this cleanser will work beautifully for you. I have pretty normal skin, but in the winter this was very useful, and I still repurchase it, so I'm gonna use it in the next months as well. I don't think I'm gonna use this very often in the summer, but for winter and the colder months, this is just great. Then I finished another eye cream. This is the Cerave Palpebral cream, and you know that I love this one very much. This is my 6th or something like that, so I really like it, and I already have like 2 backups. Then I finished an L'Oreal Elseve conditioner, and I really like L'Oreal Elseve conditioners. Usually the combo that I really like is Sios shampoo and Elseve L'Oreal conditioners. For some reason I really like that combination, and of course I'm using the Olaplex line, but I switch them around and I really like that combo. Then I finish a face mist, and this one is from Essence, is the Hello Good Stuff, and I already repurchased it. It is pretty good, and I like spraying my brushes when I'm using glittery shadows, and this works great, so I really like it. I will throw away this mousse sponge. Don't mind the blue in here. I have some eyeshadows in the bag and they got everywhere, so this is a great sponge. I really love it, and I already have another ones, and I'm planning to buy a lot more. Then I finished one of these mini. This is a Sephora gloss, and this is a gloss. I still have just a tiny bit of product in here, but I consider it done. I don't want to take the stopper out or something like this from this mini thing because it will be a struggle. And then I finished a mascara. This is the High Sky by Maybelline. This is my 2nd tube of it, and I don't love this one as much as the Essence one right now. I'm wearing the Essence one, but I'm wearing lashes as well. I like this mascara, but I much prefer the Essence one for the drugstore option, so I'm not gonna repurchase this one. Let's move into the decluttering part right now. I have just one skincare item, and this one is the Ordinary Retinol 0.5%, and I have just a tiny bit left. I don't know if you can see here. Yeah, it has eyeshadow on it as well, but I'm right here, so I have just a tiny bit of product. This is in squalane, but for me it's just too oily. I don't really like it. This one has only 3 months of shelf life, so I think this is expired at this point, and I really don't love it. I did try to use as much as possible, but I really need to throw this away. Next, I have some nail polishes that I want to declutter. I have this one, it's called Firefly, and this one is a thermo polish. So if my hands are cold, this will be the color, and if they are just normal, it will be a nude. And that is a fun polish to have, but I don't like the quality of this nail polish, so that's the reason I'm decluttering it. Then I have 2 blues, and this one is called Marine Chill, and the other one is called Temptation Island, and they are these colors. They are very beautiful colors, and I like the quality of these ones, but I don't like wearing blue nails. I don't like very colorful nails. I'm weird as that because look at my eye makeup. It is what it is. And then I have 2 Melkior nail polishes. This is Ever Gold and this is Ever Rose Gold, and they are exactly that. These are just a clear base with some glitter, so I'm not liking them on the nails, so I want to declutter them as well. Then I want to declutter these 2 pairs of lashes from Lunar Beauty. I loved both of them. These were so beautiful, so good quality. I really recommend Lunar Beauty lashes. These ones were Stella and these ones were Nova. The Nova ones are the crazy ones, and the Stella ones are these ones that I wore to death. These were so stunning. I really love them, but they need to go. And then for the makeup decluttering part, I have 3 eyeshadows from Juvia's Place. The 3 remaining colors from the Warrior 3. The yellow is really broken, so I want to show you just very, very carefully because I don't want yellow all over my shirt, but I already have yellow hands, but it's fine. Next, I want to declutter this concealer as well. I said that I want to finish this up. This is the Juvia's Place concealer in shade number 22. And I did say that I want to finish this up, but this broke me out and it smells weird and it's old and I don't like it. So I'm gonna declutter it. I think it's too old to even try, and because it broke me out, I need to throw it away. Then I want to declutter this lipstick. This is the Wet n Wild High Shine Mega Last, and this is the shade Mad for Mauve. I like the color, but I don't like the formula. I much prefer a matte bullet lipstick, so I'm gonna throw this away because I'm not gonna use it. And then I want to declutter this Essence lip pencil. This is the Soft and Precise, and this is the shade Charming. I really like the shade, but this is so stiff and it tags my lips, so I hate it. I really don't like it. it was in a video with the product that I don't like, so yeah, I need to declutter. This is so bad. The next product that I want to declutter is this Airspun Loose Face Powder. The quality of this is not that bad, but it smells horrible and I much prefer the Huda Beauty powder. But if you want a very affordable powder, because I had this for about 2 years and I did use it a bit, and you can't even see that I used some of it because it's so much product in here. It has 65 grams. That's just a ridiculous amount in my opinion. I don't even know if you can finish this powder up before expiring. So this is old and I don't like it, so I'm gonna declutter it. And for today's video, the last product is this NYX Metal Play Pigment Palette. And this is so high maintenance and I have beautiful shimmers, so I don't really need this one. Because I need to babysit this formula so much, I really don't enjoy it. And I always avoid it because of that. You need to spray your brush and apply some glitter glue and have some powder under the eyes. I think the colors are really beautiful and the effect on the eyes is really special, but I need to do so many things to babysit this formula and it's really annoying. I'm a bit sad that I need to declutter this product, but it's so messy and it's really annoying, so I need to do it. Okay, so this was the video guys. If you like it and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.